Hello, my darling children. Today we are going to learn sounds of animals. जैसे एनिमल बात करता है ना, जैसे डॉग भाव भाव करता है, तो उसका साउंड क्या है, उसके वो भाव भाव को हम क्या बोलते हैं, इज वॉट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न टुडे. सो लेट्स बिगिन. Sounds of animals. What sound does a cat make? A cat mews. What sound does a monkey make? A monkey whoops. What sound does a dog make? A dog barks. What sound does a cow make? A cow moos. What sound does the cock make? A cock caws. What sound does a goat make? A goat bleats. What sound does a donkey make? A donkey brays. What sound does the sparrow make? A sparrow chirps. What sound does a lion make? A lion roars. What sound does a crow make? A crow caws. What sound does an elephant make? An elephant trumpets. What sound does a frog make? A frog croaks. What sound does a duck make? A duck quacks. What sound does a horse make? A horse neighs. Your homework is to read page number 16 of the GK book.